गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ द स्टडी सर्कल। पिछली क्लास में हम लोगों ने ये देखा था कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नंबर वी हैव डेल्ट विथ नेचुरल नंबर। हमने ये पढ़ा था उसमें कि नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है, होल नंबर क्या होते हैं, एंड वी आल्सो डिड व्हाट आर इंटीजर्स। टुडे वी विल बी covering very important topic, that is rational number. What are रैशनल नंबर, राइट? व्हाट आर रैशनल नंबर? रैशनल नंबर आर व्हाट, ठीक है। अगर हम इसमें बात करें कि इसका एक जेनरिक मतलब क्या होता है, रैशनल मींस व्हाट? रैशनल मींस व्हाट विच इज प्रैक्टिकल, विच इज प्रैक्टिकल। अगर इसकी बात करें, अगर जनरल टर्म में अगर बात करें, इट मींस द थिंग्स दैट आर प्रैक्टिकल। जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं वी से रैशनल डिसीजन, दिस डिसीजन हैज टू बी रैशनल, राइट? तो रैशनल नंबर आर दोज नंबर व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैथमेटिकल पॉइंट्स, number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, which can be expressed in a form of p by q, wherein p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. This is the important aspect of this, that rational number are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p upon q, wherein p and q are two integers. For example, if we say what are rational number, 1 upon 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 9, these all are rational number because they can be expressed in a form of p upon q, wherein p is 1 and 2 is q. Agar if we say 1 upon 0, this will not be an rational number because here the q value is equal to 0, so this will not be a rational number, right? Now opposite to this we have irrational number. What are irrational number, right? Those number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is known as irrational number. Irrational number, right? For example, value of pi, value of pi है value of pi, root 2, root 2, root 3, right? These all are irrational number. These are irrational because they cannot be done in the form of p upon q, right? So these are the basic thing, that what are rational number and what are irrational number. और इसमें questions आते हैं. If we talk about 6th class, from 6th to 9th, we have the question from this, that what are rational number and what are irrational numbers, right? Now important thing that we will be doing here is that we will be finding two rational number, calculation of rational number between two rational number. सपोज अगर आपको दो रैशनल नंबर दिए हैं, सपोज आपको 1/4 एक रैशनल नंबर दिया है और 2/8 आपको दूसरा रैशनल नंबर दिया, एंड दे से यू हैव टू फाइंड फोर रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन them, four rational number between them, between 1/4 and 2/8, find two rational number or four rational number, right? Simple, it is very simple. We just add both and we divided by 2. Simple, it is very simple, right? So what comes in is that 1/8 divided by 2, which it's 2 4 3 divided by 2, 3/8 into 1/2, 3/16, right? So one rational number that's come is 3/16 between these two, right? जब हमको इनके बीच में निकालना है तो what we will take this and we will take this, right? The thing which will come here, then we will take this and this, ठीक है? So in let's say we can find unlimited rational number between two rational number means किसी भी दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में देयर कैन बी इनफाइनाइट रैशनल नंबर. There can be infinite rational number between two rational number, right? किसी भी रैशनल नंबर के बीच में अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ अगर 1/3 और 1/5 के बीच में अगर आपको रैशनल लगाना है, just need to add these two and divided by 2. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to do, right? This is about the calculation of rational number between two, right? Now the important thing that we are going to do here, rational number. In rational number we have talked about two, we have till now we have talked about four things: natural number, whole number, integers, then we have talked about rational number, then irrational number, we have also talked about, here we talk about number line. यहाँ पे हमने number line को भी बनाया है. Now coming to the point, if we want to represent this in the form of Venn diagram, see, all first we will write natural number, right? Then we can write whole number, then we can write integer, we can write this, then we can write rational number, here we can write rational number, this we can write. All natural number are whole numbers, agree? All natural number, all whole number, all natural number, they are integers, and all this comprises of rational number. Rational number तो है ही. रैशनल नंबर क्या होता है? P by Q. आप कोई भी एक इंटीजर ले लीजिए, कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर ले लीजिए, कोई भी ले लीजिए, वो आपका रैशनल नंबर रहेगा, right? And here we take irrational number, right? And this whole part is known as real number. This is real number. Real number is what? Real number is comprises of this whole plus your irrational number. This is real number. Means you can say that real number, if we say what are real number? Real number comprises of all rational numbers plus irrational numbers. This is the basic concept that you have to read. Real numbers are all the rational number and all the irrational number. This is an umbrella. ये एक वो है real number. These all are real number. Real number comprises of rational number and irrational number, right? I hope कि चीजें एकदम clear है. It is very easy concept. There is nothing very tough, right? Natural number. These are natural number, means counting number 1 2 3 4 here. These are whole number 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, मतलब 1 2 3 comes under whole number, right? Then integers means what? Combination of all whole number and natural number including their negatives, ठीक है? And natural number are p by q, मैं हम उसको कर सकते हैं, तो p by, these all will be the part of rational number, and irrational number आपने अलग से लिखा, तो both of them, rational number plus irrational number, they will be comprising of real numbers, right? So ये basics है. These are the basic about the numbers कि numbers क्या होता है. बताता है numbers, मतलब numbers अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि number क्या होता है, ठीक है, तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि natural number क्या होता है, whole number क्या होता है, integers क्या होता है, number line क्या होता है, rational क्या होता है, irrational क्या होता है, right? अभी जो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक रहेगा, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट रैशनल नंबर in decimal form. In decimal form. Next topic that we will be taking care of is rational number in decimal form. Decimal form means p by q form एक होता है उसमें, वहाँ पे हम लोग इसको करेंगे in our next chapter. For the meanwhile, thank you very much.